Hey everyone, Brian Jones, Buckeye criminal defense lawyer here, and I wanted to touch on this incident that happened yesterday with Tiger Woods and something that I found really interesting about this situation. I'm really glad to hear that all the reports indicate Tiger's doing really well, and he's come out of surgery, so hopefully everything keeps going well for him and he gets better really fast. What I really found interesting about this situation is that everybody was talking about it yesterday, and the vast majority of people that I talked to about it, when they found out about Tiger's crash, their first question was he drunk? Was he impaired? Now, a much smaller minority of people asked if he was okay, but the vast majority of people asked if he was drunk because he's got that prior. And I found that really interesting, and I think it really says something about our society. Now, we've all heard the phrase, once a thief, always a thief, right? So in court, that sort of mentality is not only discouraged, it's illegal. And any attorney or anybody trying to bring that sort of argument in court is really cheating. And there are steps that you can take to make sure that that doesn't happen to you in any case that you're involved in. And what you do to prevent that, to prevent your opponent from cheating in that way, is you file a motion and you tell the judge, hey, I think my opponent's going to try and do this because there's this prior issue and I want to bring it to your attention. So with that, the judge can tell your opponent, I'm not going to tolerate that kind of unfairness during this trial and in this courtroom. As we can see with Tiger's situation, making that request is really important because, as we can see, society really thinks with that mentality, that once a thief, always a thief. And if you've done something wrong in the past, you're more likely to do it again in the future. I hope this information was really valuable for you. I hope you learned something from it. And if you did, you like it, and share it with your friends if you learned something today. Thanks, and I'll talk to you next time.